If you love honey, nature's connections. If you love honey, then you must love honeybees. Honeybees are honey makers. Inside a hive, thousands of honeybees store honey in the tiny compartments or cells of a honeycomb. Honey is the food they live on all year long. Honeybees usually build their hives in hollow trees or in boxes that people make for them. If you love honeybees, it's no wonder you love dandelions. Bees use the nectar from dandelions to make honey. They suck it up with long, straw-like tongues. It takes a lot of flower visits, around 2 million, to produce a single pound of honey. If you love dandelions, you'd be crazy not to love ladybugs. Ladybugs eat lots and lots of pesky bugs, aphid and spider mites that harm dandelions and other plants. A single ladybug can eat 50 of these pests a day. If you love ladybugs, you're bound to love goldenrod. Goldenrod is a ladybug magnet. Plant it in your garden and you will have an army of ladybugs standing by to keep your plants pest-free. If you love goldenrod, you're sure to love butterflies. As butterflies visit goldenrod blossoms, they spread pollen from one flower to the next. This pollen delivery, called pollination, is needed by goldenrod blossoms to make the seeds for next year's plants. The seeds, scattered by the wind, will sprout into new goldenrod plants come spring. If you love butterflies, you just have to love clover. Butterflies are very picky about where they lay their eggs. They look for favorite nursery plants like clover. Butterflies lay their eggs on the clover, where the egg grow into clover-eating caterpillars. After lots and lots of eating, each caterpillar forms a chrysalis, which then becomes a butterfly. If you love clover, it'd be silly not to love the soil. Clover depends on healthy soil full of nutrients and life to grow. A handful of good soil holds more living things than you could count in a lifetime. Most are too small to see with your eyes, but that earthy smell lets you know they are there. If you love the soil, then you naturally love earthworms. Earthworms help keep the soil healthy, crawling through the earth in search of yummy, rotting things to eat. They create tunnel and leave behind lots of nutritious worm poop that helps plants grow. If you love earthworms, it's no accident you love mushrooms. Mushrooms help speed up an earthworm's work. Together, they break down the dead things found in the soil, leaves, roots, and animal waste, changing the nutrients into a form that plants can use. If you love mushrooms, you'd be nuts not to love oak trees. Oak trees drop thick blankets of leaves every fall. Mushrooms use these leaves for food, slowly turning them into rich forest soil. The leaves are also hideouts for salamanders, toads, ladybirds, spiders, and butterflies. Northern oak trees also drop lots of acorns. These oak tree seeds are important winter food for squirrels, deer, birds, and lots of other forest creatures. If you love oak trees, it's easy to love blue jays. Blue jays not only eat acorns, they are also acorn planters. In the fall, they collect acorns in a special sack beneath their tongue and bury them, storing them for winter food. Although the jays eat many of them, many others will sprout and become new trees. If you love blue jays, it's a fair bet you love blue blackberries. The sweet berries of blackberry vines give blue jays the energy to fly. In summer, blue jays eat the berries and poop out the seeds, allowing new blackberry vines to grow across the land. If you love blackberries, you can't help but love honeybees. When honeybees visit blackberry flowers to collect nectar, they carry pollen from blossom to blossom. The pollinated flowers turn into sweet, juicy blackberries. In fact, about 1/3 of the food we eat is made possible by honeybee pollination. And if you love honeybees, then of course you love honey. And we know who to thank for that.